I'm Mallory Hunter, RN, for Dr. Randy Rutterman in Alpharetta's plastic surgery. I've been doing injections for 7 years now.
Hi, I'm Jen Cobbs, physician assistant, also with Dr. Randy Rutterman in our Midtown location, and I've been injecting for almost 9 years now.
And today we will be injecting this lovely lady, so stay tuned. So we just finished with our patient, and we will check in with her in 2 weeks after everything is healed and settled in. And so once again, my name is Mallory, and this is Jen.
And I'm Jen.
Yes, and so thanks.
See you later.
Bye.